Snoopy time crochet. Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the crochet patterns of Snoopy and his peanut pals. So let's get started. Here a massive Snoopy and it can sit down because the legs are movable because of the button attachment, and it's smiling. It's Snoopy smile, adorable. Here it is sitting, very cute. And of course this wonderful Charlie Brown, perfect pattern with the hair and everything. I love it. And this, it's a bit too big for the for the screen. Doesn't matter. I love his little shirt with the zigzag stripe. Ah, here's his face. Nice. Yeah. Here he is standing with the little, I love the little details of his socks also. And here is another Snoopy. This one is a little bit smaller with a beautiful bouquet of flowers. This one is not smiling, but it's still very cute. And here is Snoopy in his pilot shape. Very nice. Well, this one's smiling too. I like that. I like that. And here it is without the hat. So very cute. Adorable hat, by the way. Lucy, not the nicest of the characters, but a beautiful crochet pattern with a little bow in the back. And her her balled up hair. There's a combination of Snoopy and Woodstock patterns. Very cute, really small ones. So if you don't want a big Snoopy, you can do this one. I left a little lift of his of his little nose there, and Woodstock is just perfect. It's just perfect. And here it is as a group with also the Charlie Brown there. Very nice. Here's a different set of Snoopy and Woodstock, and Snoopy separately. Yeah, look at that. Very nice pattern, this one. Not too big, not too small, just perfect. I love the little hands on the side there. Little Linus with his blankie and a stripy shirt. It's very cute. I love the cartoon style hair as well. Little itty bitty Snoopy. Love the collar with the S and the little Woodstock and backpack as well. And here they are going on their way on adventures. Here's a different kind of Snoopy. It's sort of crocheted into this bag. Very cute, different colors. Absolutely adorable. Perfect for that Snoopy lover, Snoopy fan in your home. I love this color scheme the best. I think the gray makes the white and the red really pop. I love that crochet pattern. Yeah, well, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Here's a blanket. No, it's not a blanket. It's sort of squares that are made into a, I think it's a bag. Yeah, it says bag. Duh. Doesn't matter. But it has the 4 main characters and their sort of symbols on the back. And absolutely adorable. Here they are separately, so you can use them as, I don't know, coasters or pot handles, or make a really small bag. That's also possible. And of course you can do whatever you want with that. Here's another PDF pattern of Snoopy and Woodstock. They are fantastic, these patterns. I really like them. So you can just choose whatever you want. And Woodstock is also very much adorable. Here's a bundle which also has, I don't know her name, but she is Charlie Brown's smaller sister. And with adorable Lucy, the sister, Linus, and Charlie Brown with his signature little curl. And here is a Peanuts Christmas with Charlie Brown and Snoopy speaking out of their Christmas stockings. And that's it for the Snoopy and Peanuts crochet patterns. If you're a Snoopy fan, if you're a Peanuts fan, these are the crochet patterns for you. I hope you found a favorite and are going to crochet one of these. And of course, I'm hoping to see you next time. And until then, happy crocheting!